It is just an alteration in your hormones. உங்களோட மேல் ஹார்மோன்ஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ்டாக இருக்கும். அதனால யூஸ்வலாக வர சிம்டம்ஸ் என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா delayed periods, hair thinning, facial hairs and weight gain. So how do we deal with this? Very simple way. We will deal with this with right amount of exercise and diet. ஓவர் எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணாலும் அண்டர் டயட் பண்ணாலும் பிசிஓஎஸ் சரிப்படுத்தவே முடியாது. வாங்க ஒரு கேஸ் பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். ஒரு பொண்ணு 29 years old. She had gone to gym for 3 months. ஆனால் 1 kg weight கூட குறையவே இல்லை. What do you think will be the cause? The cause is overtraining. ஓவராக கார்டியோ பண்ணி ஓவராக ஸ்ட்ரென்த் ட்ரைனிங் பண்ணி நிறைய டயட்டில் போட்டால் கூட பிசிஓஎஸில் யூ வில் நாட் கோனா see result. பிசிஓஎஸ் கண்டிஷன் எதனால வந்திருக்கு? ஹார்மோனல்ஸ்னால வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ நம்ம ஹார்மோன்ஸை கரெக்டாக மேனேஜ் பண்ணால் மட்டும்தான் பிசிஓஎஸ்லேருந்து வெளியே வர முடியும். When you over diet or over exercise, your cortisol level is going to go up. Your stress levels are going to go up. Your stress hormones are not going to be right. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறச்ச you're not going to see any result. ஸோ ஒரு பிசிஓஎஸ் வரும்போது நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா கரெக்ட் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் ட்ரைனிங். ஸ்ட்ரென்த் ட்ரைனிங் helps to balance estrogen and progesterone level and take care of your cortisol's level. Next, the right amount of eating. You're not supposed to cut away carbs or overdo with proteins or overdo with only fats. The right balance in your food will help you to get rid of PCOS. Or exercise, or diet, PCOS help பண்ண போறது கிடையாது. PCOS help பண்றதுக்கு it's a holistic approach where you have to work out right, eat right and also sleep right. If these 3 things go hand in hand, we can win over PCOS easily. And then not getting pregnant, not losing weight or having to have birth pills regularly will remain a myth. So come with me, I am going to teach you few strength training exercise and help you with the right amount of eating to overcome PCOS. Let's get started with shoulder press. Hold the dumbbells beside your earlobes, engage your core. We raise up in A shape above and bring it down. Every time you raise up, you're going to breathe out. We're going to do this 12 repetitions and about 3 sets. Next, we go ahead to do row for the upper back. Push your butt out, engage your core, hands forward, squeeze your back, leave. Squeeze your back and leave. As you squeeze back, make sure to breathe out. Continue this for about 12 repetitions and 2 to 3 sets. Then we go about doing squats. We hold the legs 90 degrees, legs apart, feet pointed straight. Hold the weights in your hand front like this. Push your butt, go down and raise up. Make sure the knee does not cross the toes. Engage your core and as you come up, you're going to breathe out. Continue doing this about 10 to 15 repetitions and about 2 to 3 sets. Next, we go ahead with lunges. Legs apart, hold the weights to your shoulder level. 1 step max on the toes. Look forward, engage your core. Take your knee to the ground, raise up. Take your knee to the ground, raise up. Take your knee to the ground and raise up. Follow this for about 10 to 15 repetitions. Both the legs, 2 to 3 sets. As we know, PCOS requires a holistic approach. So not just strength training, but doing meditation and few asanas help you overcome PCOS. Let's get started. Malasana, the garland pose. Spread your legs apart. Take your hands all the way up. Engage your core. You go down to sit. Take your hands in and push the knee out and hold. Do a normal breathing. Hold the pose for about 10 to 20 seconds and to about 2 to 3 times. Next, we go about doing Setubandh Asana or bridge pose, where we lie down on the ground, engage the core, back nice and straight. Lift your hips up to hold. Breathe normally. Hold the pose for about 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times. Then we go about doing butterfly stretches or butterfly pose, where we sit soles facing each other, bend forward to stretch. We hold the stretch for about 15 to 20 seconds and we repeat 2 times. So along with these stretches and asanas and strength training, being mindful is very, very important. So doing box breathing or any kind of normal abdominal breathing will get your anxiety levels down, will keep your cortisol levels down and help you to overcome PCOD. So let's do some mindfulness. Sit tall with your back nice and straight. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders. Go ahead with deep abdominal breathing, where you inhale, exhale. As you do your inhale and exhale, make sure as you inhale, your tummy pops out. As you exhale, tummy goes in. Make sure to have a long inhalation and doubly long exhalation. Let's get along. Inhale. Exhale.